Nandi ukuhlukana nentombazane ethanda imali kuvele kube ngase kushonile umashonisa.
Hello and welcome to another wonderful episode here on Mzansi's Finest Videos. My name is Davis. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like, comment and share.
Okay, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Ndate Thuso o khona ho botsa potso. Ha o ya raba a bahana. Utlwa re me jolo o re ngwana wa hao o na le motse kae? Utlwe mme a re ngwana Ndate Thuso o na le motse le sho. Me o re jwalo. No, Ndate Thuso ke ngwana o na le motse le sho. Mamedi motle.
Ma ukuthi isithembu into eright indaba abafana bengafuni bona ukuba sesithembeni.
And a shout out to the cashiers babar butsisang always hore o di bone di ku specialing. Shout out, big ups.
Emachita mawufuna ukushada ungatholi cherry vision, tholi cherry nenhlonipho ngoba uvision uyaphela in one day mara inhlonipho I last forever ayimaranena ningizwa.
Nana lo boza wa itse University of Jarata. University of Jarata o tsovu o ye pholo. Sa o ile pholo a tsama lecturer ka khia. Asina tsama ka khio mo founelo mama khia o tsore wena ke sa le busy ke mo meeting. Na go botsa ka meeting wa ANC go tshwere go groundong kwa. Samuemela ha tsena di tsore bona. Nna hanne fela o ja fela kitchen robber di gwaile. Sa bula tin breto sa borotho go teng sa re mama tshela ka borotho a re mo tšhentšhingela mabane ntsha 20 rand re ka borotho mara o bone pila mabane o bone re ka di sthiba tara ya no re ka maswitsi o ira mara ka tshoko le ke nthomweki e lena batswadi na bongo bona e tsene re le tlhomelela pelo mahuru na le bethela nthwanete pila
University of Jarata.
Go re kumana motho ntse a le bizarre go nrata ke tla bona ka di action nako o ra tšhelete ya gago.
Ayabalandeli bePirate bacobekile kakhulu kodwa bathatha iligi bacobekile bayabona ukuthi lento umkhoshosho leyanto yakhunyelwa phansi kwathiwa bafana shana ma goal bafana nehlathini sonondla ukhiphe yolanda ibhola ligdiline lapho olifa phakathi uyabona uziyahleka ukhipha ushaya on goal yahleka
Kuyafana mabi wonke amaPirates. MaPirates amashwe wachwana.
And for sure like a difference between Mamelodi Sundowns and Kaizer Chiefs. Ngele Kaizer Chiefs win nesta mo South Africa no to vale holiday for 7 days. Petrol na ilo decrease. Di banka na dilo thaba. Arlegan. For sure la bona. Le ma Pirate included. La bona or team ya win the cup. O irigwa bya. Mara anyway, congratulations.
amameche ayathengwa manje amameche seyathengwa ibhola akusana fair play ukhona umuntu madoda anga korisa goalkeeper ikorise after that ahleke ibackline nayo ibuye ngapha iscore igoalkeeper elale ngumkalawana sithi ngapha lona ukorile uyahleka nalo icolleague yakhe ngapha iteammate iyakora after it yahleka wona madoda abanye abantwana balapha they sacrifice ukuthi bafike ePSL ukuthi at least italent yabo likhona ukubonakala nina madoda ngithanda ijojo nisachewela ukuthi ngiyajumpisa wona lapha ngijumpisile madoda akuna team engawina 2-0 ingagoranga next nibonile ukuthi if ningagcinisa la nodlala draw iyahamba league manje nayenza make sure ukuthi niza ngamawarawara abanike imali ngibone nje ngecoach le ukuthi akuna coach ecoach ibhola ekukinsimbi noma ungaya oversee ucheck icoach noma ungaza ngapha ama coach ahlala phelile beka bo Pep Guardiola uphelile ngoba istress loya hayi yena lapha uzenzele fantasy lapha ukana neinsimbi lapho umbone umzulu makakhuluma ikenye boy shata naye shata mpala mama kota muntu that's why Bola South Africa is so poor in such a way. We will take time to reach that level. Ama team serious ngale. Ngoma ntulu pay coach akon. Hey man, masaka man. Saka motoma. Uzakati, hey, ba file George man. Hey, wena, hey, betsa bolo ka face man.
Koraka horo na mo.
Athi babone ngitotsha lapha ukuthi goalkeeper kanjani olaphola lebo ufanele uyibambele la isimple le ujumpisile straight bofanele ukhumela ngithi waqhuma nje bofanele nje uzibambele yona wazilalela kahle hayi uyishaya emapalweni akhe umbonile backline yakho na yenza that ball nje uyi50-50 nale play igoalkeeper yabona iphumile uyayithi after that yahleka kwa Mushabeka skera ma mushabeka muhle ka mtshwabala mana kotha mthoba manje sazi ukuthi ama player manje sekashada naye nawo sekashada wathi amsakhe ngapha umsakhe wathi shabeka stibile wathi ayishaya ishanga ngebig mamba ayishaya after that uyahleka abona ibhola South Africa izohlaliso wani ngawini fair ni winile yes nayibona lapha but le match le if bangathi ba investigator la bathi madlanga commission bathi uzali ngapha baqale ngegoalkeeper yo keep ama answer lapha igcina manje yabona se Kitchen event, man. I was a kitchen event. I nasin askis. I'm sorry. Me it's not me. I mean I see him. Uchamen ute. Nalis kora lesa. Okay, na umuntu cookie in team. Busy ma polin ma. Mzile with am sack. Sack am job. Sack.
Bagalab. Arbonele. Yes sir. Society Sarna has been doing very well. Reflowa hosna mathata. Mara problem ushi. Yeah. Last week, after Ailonyana, Aramu Irela bachelor's party. And a bachelor's party Asiama Jita. Why read a bachelor's party? Oh, ba Atalamosagua, I want to take a more bachelor's party. And no, the again, put Ricky stripper. I get a book stripper. Yeah, stripper, 20 pretend to go cousin Barry. Imagine, Talamasari with your cousin, you are a phone. Oh, what yeah, and it don't matter. Guys, Ronaldo, when all the village will punish you. Egg them demand, would 5 days and unbetal. Play some good again. Because the bachelor's party, when I was on the right, I want to show Jomana to condom and idea.
Imani ngabafethu kenza ukuthi indoda ilale ekhawasha ngoba ithi imoto ayomile.
Even wesam no iyenzeka iwes xa manzi ngene phakathi kwebhulbha nethoba nabeza bus zinochuku gqithi iwes xa zifincisele irubber ye-wipers funeka start after 24 hours ibhetere emotweni esithuthwini funeka start after 72 hours iwes xa phakathi kweball joint
ya ngede lapho bafu so sokonakala kakhulu mezohlala esipeleni wona mezohlala esipeleni ingozi muke wayidumisa lapha esehlela esipeleni amanzi inkinga bomele eqaqwe njini khishwa ama shocks sekumsebenzi omkhulu lapha sekumosheka imali eningi kanti kungcono uvela ungayiqali ukuyidumisa mike nje uvela ungayiqali ukuyidumisa iyeke
You know one thing about abafana ne abafana abafuna into eningi abafana befundela ikheke
hey wasibamba
bashona batla ikheke like men will lie their way to your pants abafana befundela ikheke and maybe it's only was okushiya
wasibamba ngabe ubani lo nginika imbuzi
batho ngabe hona le okitse ngwe yana he ke tla bona month end ke nana hore se ke bone o kila bona a se ke bone ene ke nana go jwale ha yo ntwe tjena ba tlo tlameha hore re shebele next month ngwane yesu ke fumana go jwale ntata icon
go motho a go botsisa a re ga ne mata o bereka ko kae o mmotso ra ke driver taxi a rai a o tshwane le o dula gae a le atella lena atella shena
so manje uzophinda ubuye futhi kusasa Ungenza anytime uyazi kwami ngokwakho. Singifunda amajita ne. Kusema chance.
Ngawula.
Ngathi abangizwanga kahle sisondele. Kusema chance.
Ula.
Grand. Nina ni grand.
Number 1.
No. Bengingrunda nje yabo.
Feel.
Yeah, nibe grand ne.
Ala dikhatheki ufuna usibasela ngoleghelwayo. Hayi siyibule besiyibona. Hayi. Bamzamile imali.
Guys. See you in the next upload. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Congratulations to Pirates. Azish.
Hey, beautiful. Hope you got home safe.
Who is this?
We met outside the club. You were shouting, "Third location."
Oh yeah, I was lit.
Yeah. We ended up chilling the whole night.
I was with people the whole night.
You were with me though.
No, you were just there.
I bought you drinks. We were talking.
You bought drinks. We talked. That's it.
Even your friend saw.
Which friend?
The one with a kiss.
That's rude also. I have a boyfriend. It was nice talking to you.
You're actually serious?
Yes.
So nothing from last night meant anything?
No.
You held my hand.
I was drunk.
You said I'm different.
I say that a lot.
You told me not to leave.
I tell people that when vibes are nice.
A manga wako! Hold on, what's this?
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I remember that.
Exactly. Oh, you're the meat platter guy.
That's crazy.
You were actually sweet though.
Sweet? You said your boyfriend works in KZN.
What does that have to do with anything?
You said you miss being held. You said you miss being folded, Miss Kelani.
I was drunk. You're taking things out of context.
Drunk in love.
Calm your tits, Beyonce.
You're funny, I hear you. I guess you're not coming to the MSC cruise then.
Lol, no, I told you I have a boyfriend. Wait, what cruise?
Nothing serious?
No, tell me.
This weekend.
Where? Who's going? Why didn't you say this yesterday? You're actually weird. You invite people, then act like this. I'm literally asking you a simple question. Don't do that.
5, 4,